Welcome to DY India. Today we are going to install Apache Tomcat. So keep watching this video till the end because in the end I will explain some more tips. So let me begin. So here I'm install Tomcat 11 plus OpenJDK 17, which is very latest versions. So I'm considering this. Let me log in my server first. Let me increase the font size. So Tomcat is an application server, and Tomcat is a very popular uh, application servers which is used in serving for dynamic content like JSP pages. So let me begin. So first of all, I'm here using OS CentOS Linux 7.4. So let me check my OS versions. So I'm using 7.4 CentOS. Let me check if Java is running or not. So here is Java is installed in my system, but this is like older versions. So first screen is downloading. So let me add user. So here we are going to run a users Tomcat with a particular user, not a root. For security purpose, we can use non-root users for application servers. As per industry standard, we have to run application servers with non-root user. So first, let me add user Tomcat password. So now I just created Tomcat user. So let me try to download require OpenJDK. So here we are using 64-bit OSJDK. Now here we have a link, copy link address. Local Java. So I need to remove this all. Download. Now it's downloading. Still have time downloading that packages. So here is my Tomcat users. So just I created a Tomcat user. So I'm going to install the Tomcat with particular users. So now here I'm trying to download my Tomcat versions. So see, my Tomcat is downloaded. Let me extract it. Command is *-xvf and then package name. Now is extracted. So this is my home path of Apache Tomcat. Also just download is completed. Let me extract this xvf. So now I just boot the packages, just download and extract. Now see the packages is extract. So let me rename this folder because this folder name is very long. So I just rename it. So this is my Java path. So first of all, we have to set Java variables. Here I am putting my Java path, and then this need to be added in etc profiles. And if you press shift G, then you will reach end of the file. Then press O and it. Once you update that file need to be reread. So the option is logout and login again, reboot, or use source etc profile to apply changes immediately in your current cell. So we are not going to reboot, so we just apply command source etc profile. Let me check my Java version. Echo dollar Java underscore home. So now see my Java version is set. Java hyphen versions. So now see this Java 17 is installed. So my installations, Java installation is completed. Let me move second screen. So here I just extract my packages in home directory. Then I have to come bin directory. Let me try to first start. So now I think is not started. because it's not find the Java path, Java underscore. Here is like a different Java is set. So let me take source as etc profile. Now see the Java is set. Let me try. So now see, earlier is Java is not set. So now is Java is loaded. Yes minus ef grep -i Java. So now see, my Tomcat is installed successfully. So let me check the service. So let's see, this is Java process is running port 80 and with the user of Tomcat. So let me check my IP. IP is 37. Let me try to access :8080. It's taking a time. Let me check. Sure. Firewall D service should be off. So now here is firewall D service is running. Let me stop this. So now I just stop. Let me try again. So now see, my Apache Tomcat installation is completed and I'm getting the page Apache Tomcat 11.0.2. See my header. So let me check the logs. So here is getting a logs. This is access logs. So now see, it is like access log when we try to access our website. Now see, the log is coming like 200 and we are getting a page. So as I inform you, I will help you some key parameters of this Apache Tomcat. So few main directory in this Apache Tomcat. So first is a conf directory. So logs, as we see, the log, all the logs is captured in log folder. Work directory is like temporary files that deploying, that is created inside whatever is trying to deploy. So we have deployed root var, so it is already present. Another is bin directory. So in the bin directory we have some sh script. So we can use start for a start.sh, and if you want to stop, then use stop.sh. And if you want to set any parameters or anything you want to set in Apache Tomcat, you have to use the main configurations files. So let me show you. So inside the configurations, so here is the main configurations server.xml files. So here we have defined the port numbers. Shutdown port 8005 and HTTP port that we are trying to access our servers. So this also here is defined 8080. So it is a very simple to install Apache Tomcat. Within a few minutes, we have just completed my installations. So let me check process again. So now see the process is running, and then port is also listen. So let me stop. We have to use shutdown.sh. So now my Tomcat is shut down. Let me check listen port. So currently the port is not listen. Now website may be unreachables. So let me start again. So now it's started. Let me check the port, listen port. Once you start, you have to check the listen port. The listen port is come. Let me try. So now again I've started and it working fine. So that's for today. So if you want to more details regarding this application servers, so you can visit my blogs, Diva India. In here you can come in that interview sections, or so in interview section you can check like document, and you can see this Apache Tomcat details. Everything is there here. You can refer that installations and all those things. Thank you for watching Diva India Tech. We will meet in next video.